Okay guys, so 494 이 표지는 무슨 뜻입니까? Okay, so what's the meaning of the signage? Okay, so we have here guys 절대 감속. Okay, so the word 감속 means decelerate. Okay, pahinaan. And also we have key here that 천천히. Okay, 천천히 or slowly. Okay, and yun po yun guys, no? It is related to driving. Okay, so 천천히, slowly, then 감속, decelerate, yung pababaan yung speed. And the 절대 indicate dito po guys, you must, yung thought niya dito. Kasi yung talagang literal na meaning niya is absolute. So absolutely decelerate or pahinaan mo talaga. Okay, ganun po. So may specific na number is 30, okay, or 30. So ano kaya yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Okay, so based dito sa mga choices, you can see the 천천히 also. Okay, so try nating simulan sa number 4 kung ito na yung tamang sagot. Tingnan natin. Okay, for number 4, 시속. Okay, 시속 30km. Okay, 킬로미터로 천천히 운전하십시오. So anong ibig sabihin nito guys? So 시속 is the per hour. Okay, and then 30 kilometer. So 30 kilometers 로, so it just means 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, 천천히, slowly 운전하십시오. So please drive. Yung 운전하다 is to drive, then 십시오 again, it means please. So please drive slowly. So 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, yun po yung thought niyan guys. Okay, 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, so ito ba, pwede ba siya? Yes, no, pwede po yung number 4 na sagot. Okay, try natin number 3. Okay. 자동차는, okay, the car, 자동차, okay, the car, 30대 주차하십시오. Okay, so 30 units yung ibig sabihin din. Ang man dito guys, only. Okay, only 30 minutes, 주차하십시오. So, okay, 주차하다 is to park, then 십시오, please. So please park only 30 units of car. Okay, yan po yung thought ng number 3. So mali po guys, na wala pong sinasabing ganun. Dapat makita po tayo dito na 천천히 related word. So dito na sa number 4 natin nakita. Okay, for number 2, 2번 30kg. Okay, 30kg 이하에. Okay, 30 kilograms iha, below. Okay, so below 30 kilograms, 짐만. Okay, 짐 dito guys is yung load, no, yung mga bagahe, ganun. Then man again means only. So only luggage na below 30 kilograms. 실으십시오. Okay, so 실으십시오. Please. Itong 실으 guys, it comes from the verb 싣다, which means to load, and it also belongs to real, digut irregular. Okay, so digut irregular siya na verb. So pag nyo conjugate kasi yung mga digut irregular, yung present tense, like for example 듣다, so yung 듣다 na to listen, nagiging 들어요. Okay, and then tulad nito 싣다, when you conjugate that into present tense yo form, nagiging 싫어요. Okay? So, nagiging real yung digut. Same also dito. So, bago mo lagyan ng 으십시오 na grammar na which means please, so gagawin mo munang real yung digut. Okay? So, yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. Okay? Please load. Okay? Only luggage na below 30 kilograms. So, wala pong sinabing ganyan dito sa sa information. Okay, number 1, 1번 30분 이상. So 이상 beyond, no? So more than 30 minutes, ganun. Above 30 minutes, ganun. 통화하지 마십시오. Okay, 통화하다 means to call, okay? Phone conversation. 지 마십시오 means please. So please don't call 30 minutes above, ganun, no? So wag kang lumampas ng 30 minutes kakatawag. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng number 1. Okay? So again guys, number 4 po yung tamang sagot natin dito sa 494.